Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to remix Instagram Reels videos. Instagram Remix feature allows you to record and insert your own video content alongside a Reels video of another Instagram user. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and press on the Reels icon on the main toolbar. Find a video that you want to remix and click on the three dots icon on the right-hand side of the video screen. Keep in mind that only if a user has turned on the remix feature, you will see the remix this reel option on his video. So click on it, and the user's video will appear on the left side of the screen. Your video will be displayed on the right side. Now you can record your video or upload it from a camera roll. Then insert stickers, mix audio, add voiceover, draw or write something on the video if you want. As soon as you're ready to upload the video, hit the arrow button and share the video to Reels. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to remix Instagram Reels videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.